Are you messing up all the work that I did?
No, I'm trying to do it in my own way.
No, you are addicted. Don't mess up the work that I did. So hi everyone. Okay, now you guys are probably like, who is this? This is actually my husband's cousin, and he's starting his natural hair journey. Should I call it natural hair journey?
Oh yeah, I think it is.
He wants to define his curls. He doesn't know what to use, shampoo and stuff. So we went shopping, right? We got some stuff. And he actually bought this sponge that we can use for his hair. I've never ever used it before, so this is all new to me. But we're gonna start this tutorial right now. If you've not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. Because we're first going to wash his hair. And so to start off washing his hair, we are going to be using a product for men, and we all bought this product. He bought it with his own money. Yeah. So we're using the Cantu men's collection, and I'm gonna give his hair a good spray. So just spray it really good. You want to do this in the shower. You scrub with your palm, like the tip of your finger. Okay, don't scrub with your fingernails. Oh, okay. You never go like this. You always go with the tip of your fingers. So we've rinsed his hair, and I'm gonna use a t-shirt to dry your hair. So you don't use a towel, and when you dry your hair, you just pat, okay? You can pat. Don't do this rubbing action. This is the Cantu men's collection leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner will up condition your hair, keep it soft, and this is the consistency. Yeah, that consistency. So you just want to take a little bit of it because your hair is still pretty much short. So you just want to take a little bit of it and just massage it throughout your hair. Okay, rub it until you don't see any white in there. This is this beard oil for men, but he can actually also use it for his hair. So you can use it for your beard, but I'll let you do that. So we're using a little bit of the oil, putting it on the hair, and kind of giving you a scalp massage. Scalp massage helps with hair growth and stuff. To start his hair, we're going to be using the cream pomade, and this is the cream pomade, also from the same line. I'm keeping everything to the same line, and I'm keeping it very simple. And these products you can find everywhere, pretty much like Walmart, because he's a student and he doesn't have time to be using so many different products. So we're starting off with something designed specifically for men. Details about all this product line and all these products will be in the description area with ingredient lists and stuff, but he bought it with his own money. How much did you pay total for everything?
$35.
Everything smells really good. It has a manly smell, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so everything smells really good. So the pomade is supposed to have a strong hold but soft feel. So we're going to use a little bit of it. Now if you don't have this, you can also take a little bit of gel or pudding and make your own product. So he could use this with the leave-in conditioner, this Eco gel. We might try that another day, but just take a little bit of this and work that through the hair. Okay, so we're walking it through the hair, and if you notice, I'm always walking it in the same direction, kind of encouraging his hair to do what his hair does. This is the sponge, and double-sided. We bought it for, I like the price in there, so $5.49. It comes in different sizes. There's a big size, a small size. It has two sides. One side has the holes in it, and then the other side has a rigid, what they call a textured side. The thing is that when you're using this, always use it in the same, okay? Don't go this way and then go that way like that. You'll get your twist that you're trying to create will loosen up. This one's, because the holes will give more uniform look than this textured area. This one's will give a different kind of look to it. And most people, when their hair is longer, that's when they use this rigid section. When your hair is shorter, use this. Even if your hair is longer, you could use this side, but this side gives a less uniform look to it. I'm going to start off first picking out his hair with a comb to encourage the hair to have the sponge to have something to grip on. Don't do it so hard. You just go softly.
Yeah.
You see, it's curly.
So curly.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
We are done with his hair, and this is what it looks like. And you can see we got it all curly right there. You can see it. Yep, the curls are there. Wants to, it can take a little bit of gel if you want to, just to make it a little bit neat, and then you can put it along your edges if you want to. You don't have to. And then you can get your own brush. So this is his brush. You can use that brush. Is that what you do?
Yeah, that's what I like.
Okay. So you use your brush. You might want to get a softer brush and just use it to lay your edges.
This is fun.
I know, like lay your edges. Okay, but yeah, just to encourage your edges so that they're not all over the place. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And I think you enjoyed it. Well, if you guys want to see a night routine, comment down below. Let us know, and he will do the night routine himself to see if how long this will last. I'm thinking it will last 2 to 3 days. Yeah, so but we'll see how long it will last, but he is pleased, and that is what makes me happy. So if you guys want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment and share to the world. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna blow a kiss and he's gonna wave. Okay,
I was gonna make a kiss on.
Oh yeah, so all the ladies, all the single ladies. Okay.